Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting removal now. Sign out of your chess. Com account and close the browser tab or desktop app. Once done, back up any local game exports or analysis you want to keep because uninstall won't preserve them. Next, open Task Manager and force stop any chess. Com or browser processes to prevent file locks. This avoids errors during uninstall. Make sure you have admin rights. Without them, Windows will block changes. When processes are stopped, move to Programs and Features. Open Settings Apps or Control Panel Programs and Features and locate Chess. Com or its desktop client, click Uninstall and follow prompts. While the uninstaller runs, remove leftover folders. Navigate to C, /users, /your name, /app data, /local and roaming and delete Chess. Com folders and check C, /program files for any remnants. If you use the website, remove Chess, Com browser extensions, and clear cache and cookies. Restart your PC to let Windows finalize registry and file deletions. This completes the removal. If the standard uninstall left traces or failed, run a reputable uninstaller or cleanup utility to remove registry keys and orphan files. Once restarted, verify no Chess. Com extensions or saved credentials remain, clear browser cookies, and saved passwords if login pages still autofill. If you still see errors, run the uninstaller as administrator or boot into safe mode to remove locked files. That usually resolves stubborn leftovers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.